Hi team! By now, you've completed the Tier 1 evaluation worksheet. Most importantly, you have determined parameter matches, set the new suggestion status, and even communicated with the suggester. Now, let's make it official. This video guides you through updating the online form on Power BI. We'll cover finding your assigned ticket like a pro, accessing the online form with a few simple clicks, updating your parameters and status to reflect your evaluation, and recording your response date, just to keep everyone informed. Remember, the hard work's already done. This video just simplifies the final steps to officially submit your review. So let's get started. Before we start, go ahead and grab your completed Tier 1 evaluation worksheet. We'll need to transfer the information on it. With that out of the way, it's time to access the ticket. Open Power BI. We'll access it, for the sake of this tutorial, through the Foxbox Idea Review team page on Microsoft Teams. Click on the Foxbox tab at the top. That'll take you into Power BI. Make sure you're on the Ticket Review page. Next, find the Ticket Lead drop-down menu at the top. Select your name from the list and then click Apply Slicers. Next, locate your assigned ticket in the list. On the far right, you'll see a button that says Add Tier 1 Review. Go ahead and click that button. This will open the online review form. Now, it's time to transfer the information from our completed evaluation worksheet to the online form. Find the section that says Tier 1 Review Notes and carefully transfer the necessary info to the online form. Start with the improvement parameters. Check all that apply. Next, go down to the status field and select the appropriate status from the drop-down. Under that, you'll see a question asking, have you and the suggester modified the suggestion in any way? It's a simple yes or no question. But if you click yes, another field will pop open, and this is where you describe any modifications that were made. Under that field, there is a response date to submitter field. Go ahead and fill that in with the date that you got back with the suggester. Under that, the reviewer comments section. Any pertinent information goes here. If you recall, in the reviewer comments section on the hard copy, you just transfer that information here. Especially if the idea was declined or put on hold, please provide an explanation. If you labeled the suggestion as pending, make sure you input what information is needed before you can make a final decision on whether or not the suggestion is approved. Finally, under that, there's a reviewed by column. Go ahead and select your name from that list. Finally, click Update. Congratulations, you've finalized your Tier 1 review. Thanks for all the hard work.